Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to photos in Fotor app. Fotor is a simple yet powerful editing tool that allows you to easily add stylish text to photos. Whether you're creating social media posts, quotes, posters or school projects, Fotor provides fonts, effects and customization options to make your text look professional and eye-catching. So first open to your Fotor app on a device and after that tap on the edit. And over here what you can do is you can simply select any of the photos that you want to put under this editing. And over here what you can do is on the bottom there's an icon. Simply swipe a bit until you find to this text icon. Tap on the text tool. Over here you can also select the fonts that you want to put under the photo and tap on this keyboard icon. And simply you can type down any of the body text and you can simply select to this side check mark. And that is it. This is how you can add text to your photo. And you can also position your text by simply tapping it where you want and it will simply move in the area. And Fotor makes it easy to add and customize text on photos. With its wide range of fonts and effects, you can turn any simple image into professional looking design. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.